In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can get your list ID in ClickUp. So without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, go to one of your projects. I have this project open. Then next is go and click on your list view. As you can see, by going on the different views, your URL on the top of your browser changes. So if you click on your list view, you should see after the V right here, slash L slash, the values that follows is your list ID. Then in some cases, there would be a question mark right there. The values after the question mark, for example, is not included. Only this. So this would be specific for every template for every account. So again, after V slash, then L slash, that is your list ID. And that's it. So if you want to support our channel, feel free to use the affiliate link given on the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.